Okay, short and sweet and to the point. All my shelves I've got taken down. Got my wall taken down here. Got my wall taken down here. Got all my shelves off the wall. Got my piece and got the garage door sitting outside. Hopefully, I've got a guy that's supposed to come over that's put one of these doors in before. I don't know if he's going to make it. If not, I'm just going to do it myself. The main issue that I'm seeing here is with these roller doors, apparently you have to mount one side as close to the exit as possible, so this rail would be right where the exit is, and then when you come to the other side you need to have a 3-inch gap on the other side because it'll extend over 3 inches. So instead of having this mounted here, this door frame here, it might need to come over 3 inches here, which would put it with nothing there. So I may have to cut a board there, nail it in. I'm not 100% sure right now. So I'm gonna wait and see if I could get him over here, but I'm probably gonna just start taking the rest of the rails off. And as soon as I get this door in, this stuff's gonna go a lot smoother here. So I've been waiting on this door for over a month now. The pandemic has definitely affected me. So we'll see what happens here. Wait for next week.